Microsoft Power Apps is a service for building and using custom business apps that connect to your data and work across the web and mobile. When paired with the CData Connect Cloud, you get instant access to cloud sources like Snowflake in your apps. In this video, we walk through creating a virtual database for Snowflake data, accessing CData Connect from Power Apps, and building a simple app based on live Snowflake data. If you wish to follow along, you will need a Snowflake instance, an instance of CData Connect Cloud, and a Power Apps account. Start by logging into your CData Connect instance and clicking Databases. Select an available data source and enter the necessary connection properties. Click Test Database to ensure that you have configured the connection properly. You now have a virtual SQL Server database that will allow you to connect to your application data from Power Apps. Once you have configured the virtual database, navigate to Power Apps and log in. In the Data menu, click to create a new connection and select SQL Server. In the Connection Wizard, set the SQL Server name to the address of your CData Connect instance. Set SQL Database name to the name of the virtual Snowflake database you created earlier. Set the username and password and click Create. With the connection to CData Connect configured in Power Apps, we can now build an app that uses Snowflake data. Using the Start from Data option, we can create a new app. Select the SQL Server connection we created, and select a table to work with. Click Connect. Customize the newly created app to display and work with the data you want. At this point, you have an app with read and write access to live Snowflake data that you can save and publish for use within your organization. For more information on CData Connect, and to sign up for a free trial, visit cdata.com/connect and see the CData difference for yourself.